Hey Verizon 5G crew, welcome to the channel. So do you want to supercharge your Verizon 5G internet speeds? Well, I've got proven tips to crank up your downloads, whether you're streaming, gaming or working. Let's make it happen. So your 5G gateway needs a strong signal from Verizon's cell towers. Place it near a window or the top floor facing the nearest tower. Check verizon.com/coverage for tower locations. Use my Verizon app's 5G Compass to test signal strength. So avoid walls, metal or electronics, they block signals. If speeds dip, try a higher spot or another window. Solid white LED, you're golden. So boost Wi-Fi. In the My Verizon app, go to gateway settings and prioritize the 5 GHz band. It's faster than 2.4 but shorter range. So stay close. Disable 2.4 GHz if you don't need it for older devices. Reddit users hit 250 megabytes this way. Use Cat6 Ethernet for wired devices like PCs or consoles. Cuts latency. Add a Wi-Fi extender for weak spots and keep firmware updated via app for performance tweaks. And that's pretty much it, guys. Verizon 5G home internet maxed out. Test those speeds and enjoy lag-free streaming. Love this. Smash that like button, subscribe and comment your speed boosts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching as always. See you next time.